Morning all. Well, there was a quick break of the traffic so you can actually hear me. And then traffic arrives. So it's amazing what you can find when you start digging about. Ding ding. Ding ding. Ding ding. And then there was these ding dings that I poked. Because I didn't like the look of them. I like the look of them even less now. There's one I prepared earlier. That's been there for quite some time now. These I've managed to beat out a little bit using the skill acquired from watching the YouTube video. In other words, I've got to put filler in them now. This one is going to take a little bit more than a bit of beating. So we'll crack on with that in a minute. Why is it all the juicy dents are always right where you can't get in there to knock them out? Anyway, so as this is a budget styled video, for those of you out there that don't have access to a £1 million workshop and all the tools that go with it, here's an idea of what you can do on your own. So we've had all the hinge pins out, cleaned all the gunk out of the grooves in them that oil them, so now I'll be able to oil those nice and easy. I also pushed the boat out and changed all the mill pins, or mills pins as they're called. So at least half the hinges are brand new now. And for anyone wondering what sort of machine you need to do this kind of work, this is a Chinese 312. They've been going for donkey's years. In fact, this one is minimum 5 years old, and I have done all sorts of stuff with this, and it's still working. I have to bash it every now and again because the gas flow won't stop, but apart from that, it's great. It's a MIG, a TIG. Oh, no it's not. I'll start again. It's a stick welder, a TIG welder, and a plasma cutter. And it doesn't do any of them too bad, really. Be nice to have an expensive machine, but unfortunately, expensive machines are expensive. So that's about it, really. It's a bit too early for the food of the day. Minitron's out the back already, but I'm not hungry yet. So I suppose I better fire up the compressor and start nailing some metal back into this lot. See you on the next one.